Benson Okwara asate bireti bari guchikuranira mirimo guikavaikiraniwe kwenanwa ENG'ERIA YABO y'emitinye 5 noyomo YONSI muri kitoline tunyambane nabwatirire yene kiwase county ya Nairobi abona gutumanya senchero bwikiro.
Abakori Emeremo ba posta imeyense bararirie Omogiro bw'Emeremo guchakira ritko rya rero asibatebire tibanya konyora ENG'ERIA yabo y'emitinye 5 noyomo ayo nigachire maiga yekiombe kyabo korwa notice ya matuko 30 kurende NIGO BAAKANIRWE ENG'ERIA y'umutinye oyomo bwoka.
This is an official strike which we called as Communication Workers Union through a letter to the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Labor, dated 23rd September this year. The reason why we gave the notice for the strike is that our members who are employees of Postal Corporation of Kenya have stayed since the year 2021 for periods of 3-4 months until today. As we are talking today, we are owed 6 months salary. If by tomorrow the salary for October is not paid, we shall be owed 7 months salary, which is unfortunate, very unfortunate. They made an effort and paid 1 month's salary on Friday, which therefore leaves us with 6 months salary unpaid.
Bakoragwa ni kiombe gya Kenya Postal Workers Union, inse ya Communication Workers Union no moriki omonena se kiombe kyo Benson Okwara NIGO agosereirio Omogiro bw'Emeremo gwikachinga kibara chikonyora ENG'ERIA yabo YONSI.
My first priority is going to give you salary for all the 6 months. Before that salary is paid, we shall not go back to work.
Ayo ekeragendrete me county ya Nairobi nigoboigo abakori Emeremo be county ya Machakos besokire na gukora Omogiro ngabuno yo.
Madai yetu kwa sasa ni kwamba mishahara ya miezi 6 ambayo inajumulisha kiasi cha milioni 540 kilipwe kikamilifu.
NIGO bono bamochirie serikali asoko banacha chibese ichitanya gwaka na chiloni babwata se chibengi umoroberio NSSF na boigosha asebono baorokirio bwoba bwabo baise kurwara NIGO barachi gochandika gose kwenyora asa kongu.
Wafanyikazi wetu wanapopata magonjwa, they cannot access SHA facilities kwa sababu tunahofia kwamba pesa ambazo wanakatwa hazifiki.
They have been recovering money from you. They recover money from you to pay to the banks, they don't pay. They recover money from you to pay to SACCOs, they don't pay. They recover the money to go to NSS, they don't pay. They recover money to go to pay as you earn, they don't pay. So, at the time we had a meeting last with them, the salary arrears was about 428 million shillings unpaid. Salaries alone, and that is net salary, not gross salary.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mocho Nairobi, erietariane Linet Nyambane.